Hello guys, welcome to my second video. In this video I'm going to talk about 5 aims of digital marketing. So when you're doing digital marketing, you have to keep in mind creating content for digital campaign and that is useful for your user. The first aim is to ensure you are reaching out the right people at the right time and delivering the right message. So if you can't select the right people, right audience, then your campaign not gonna prosper. So what you need to do is selecting your right audience. For example, if you are doing marketing about music video of hip hop and you select your gender, select the age range between 18 to 60, then probably not gonna work. So most of the people, those who listen to hip hop, their age is between like 18 to 40 or 45. So when selecting the uh, people and the right audience, you need to be very careful. An example of this, when you go into social media such as Facebook and you realize that the advert that you see around previously browsed product and service. So why this happened? Now, this happened because companies will start collecting your information based on what you like and dislike, which kind of product you have browsed, which kind of advertise you have looked before. So, the companies is collecting, Facebook really collecting your data, where you're going, so that when a marketer come and try to launch a campaign, they can really select which kind of audience they want to show their ad. The second aim of digital marketing is engaging your audience. So, how do you engage your audience? So, if you have a new brand, you must engage your audience, or if you have an old brand, you need to keep engage your audience. If you don't keep your audience engaged, they might go somewhere else because there is many competitor in the field. An example, do you know Dominus used Twitter to run their Let's Do Lunch campaign. They decide they would reduce the price of the pizza based on the number of people that tweeted in time of lunch. By the end of it, the price of pizza went from 5.99 under £8, meaning their customer were kept happy and engaged. So they run the ad to know how many people wants to campaign the answer, how many people want to have a pizza in the lunch and they want to have a reduced price. So after they get the voice of the audience and the support of the audience from the tweet, they reduce the price and make their customer happy and keep the audience engaged. The third aim of the digital marketing is motivating your user to take action. You need to motivate your user to take action. What we mean by this, actually getting people to do things what your brand. So for example of this, when Nike ran their fuel your team campaign, they were able to take a wide range of their product and linked to their fuel band. So it's a fuel band is a band is linked with the different kind of product that uh, uh, that Nike have. So like shoes, like their bands, everything, like They have jacket and everything. They have accessories as well for doing the exercise. So they linked with their fuel band, and the fuel band is like an activity tracker, which allow to set your personal goals, like how many push-up you have given, how many laps you are given for run, you have how many kilometer you're running, how many times you're swimming, like everything they track. And this is associated with a mobile phone, where you can a mobile app, so where you can see where the others are doing, what the other people are doing, like what how and how to compete them. So they keep you motivated. This campaign keeps me motivated and with their product. So this is called motivation they give you to their customer. And the fourth aim of digital marketing campaign is spending efficiently. So let's think about how a brand can spend less but still reach out to great number of people. So an example in this of these Beats by Dr. Dre, a headphone manufacturer, who used a selfie campaign to do this. In their campaign, they used a call to action. A call to action is a message that encourage your audience to act immediately. So the campaign, they use a message that influence or their audience to do something and get it. The call to action here was to post a video selfie on the Instagram or Twitter with the hashtag solo selfie. By doing this, they were really able to create a buzz and get their fan engaged and interacting. So everybody is keeping giving selfie, and they have a target as well. How many they will the good selfie, like the good video, they're gonna appreciate and give a prize. So that which make people to you know retweet and tweet and keep engaged. Like in Bangladesh, chaldal.com recently they announced that share they was giving a mango bucket, and this is the prospect. I mean, they was giving mango bucket to the people, those who will share most. They said we're gonna give away like 1,000 kilo or something like that mangoes for the selected person. So share our views, share our post, and tag your friend. That is called less that is called like action, doing the action things, action message. What we mean by this is and the final aim is really simple, is creating a return on your investment, what is called ROI. What we mean by this, increasing the money you make as a percentage of the money initially invested through your marketing campaign. So those are the now 5 aim of digital marketing. In my next video, I will come up with the next topics. For now, keep learning on digital marketing and keep supporting me. If you like my video, keep subscribe, likes, and press the bell button. Thank you guys, and stay safe. Bye.